Hello all my family and friends, welcome to another episode. Today we had a craving for some Italian food, so we're going to do a lasagna. So I have already got my sausage done. It calls for Italian sausage, but good old sage regular sausage works just fine. I've already got it browned to save some time, got it drained, so we can just go ahead and start mixing it. To the sausage, I'm going to add 1 can of tomatoes. This is fire roasted tomatoes that I'm putting in. And, oh, I put my fire back on, sorry. And I'm going to put in 2 cans of tomato paste.
Tomato paste, a lot of
tomato paste.
That fire kind of got out a little bit, didn't it?
Yeah, it kind of roofed, didn't it? Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all right. We're under control.
Yeah. We didn't get burned.
No, and I'm this rinse my can out, give it a little bit more juice. We'll get this to go in here, and then I am going to add some salt and pepper, and no, I'm not. I'm going to add a teaspoon of 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of minced garlic.
Garlic.
And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of basil. Okay.
All right.
We're just going to stir this up, let it get heated up, and then it's going to, I knocked some out on your toes, didn't I? Knock some sausage out on your toes. When this gets back to a good heat, because I had the fire turned out, but we're heating it up again. Since I've got it all mixed together, I'm going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. I've got my noodles cooking. I've already got my noodles cooking. I'm doing 10 on the bottom, and then we'll layer it, and then I'm doing 10 all together. 5 on the bottom, and then I'll layer it, and then I'll put 5 more. So 10 lasagna noodles is all you need for this. Okay, we're just going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, while that is simmering, we're going to go ahead and put the other together. It calls for 3 cups of cottage cheese. I take one of those cartons and a portion of the other. I don't measure, but it calls for 3 cups. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Going to mix this up, and we're going to mix in 2 eggs. What did I do with my Parmesan? I mean my parsley. I didn't get my parsley. That's all right. I'll get it in just a second. Okay. I forgot to get my parsley. I need to stir my deal real quick. Okay, it's still going. Got about 6 or 8 minutes left on it. Okay, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of parsley. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese.
And this is supposed to be the filling that you
this
put.
is the ricotta filling
Ah, yeah.
for the lasagna. Okay.
Alright.
Alrighty. We've got about 5 minutes and we'll be back and put it together. Okay, we are going to assemble it. I've already got 5 of my lasagna noodles in my pan. I'm going to take half of the ricotta cheese and spread over the lasagna noodles. Doesn't matter if that's in there, it's going to all go in there anyway. Just kind of spread this over here as evenly as possible.
Oh man, it looks really good.
Okay, then we're going to take about half of the meat sauce and spread it over it. A little bit more. And then we're going to take about half of this package of mozzarella cheese and put over it. And we're going to do the same thing all over again. Now my stove.
Should I go turn it off?
No, go do it real quick. The timer was going. Okay, we're going to put the rest of this ricotta cheese filling over it. It won't take us long to assemble the rest of it. Okay, now we're going to put the rest of the meat sauce over it.
This is going to be very tasty.
Yeah, we'll have it with some garlic bread and a salad. Be tasty, won't it?
Yeah, this is good for any occasion.
Any time of the year, this food is good.
And you can do it at weddings, parties, all kinds of stuff.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of the cheese on here. And I'm going to put, I've got my oven preheated at 375. And I will cook this for about 35 minutes. And then we'll come back and show it to you. Okay, here is our finished lasagna for today. Now, some people like to layer it differently. Sometimes I put the meat sauce on top, but today I chose to do the cheese on top. It's whatever your preference is. But anyway, I hope you try this lasagna and like it. If you would, we'd like for you to subscribe, make a comment. We appreciate your views. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.